Hello friends, greetings of peace. Question and answer number 4, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: can we know the existence of God by our reason? Answer: yes. Human reason can know God with certainty. The world cannot have its origin and destination within itself. In everything that exists, there is more than we see. The order, the beauty, and the development of the world point beyond themselves toward God. Every man is receptive to what is true, good, and beautiful. He hears within himself the voice of conscience, which urges him to what is good and warns him against what is evil. Anyone who follows this path reasonably finds God. Pope Benedict XVI said, "Man's unique grandeur is ultimately based on his capacity to know the truth, and human beings desire to know the truth. Yet, truth can only be attained in freedom. This is the case with all truth, as is clear from the history of science, but it is eminently the case with those truths in which himself, man as such, is at stake. The truth of the Spirit, the truths about good and evil, about the great goals and horizons of life, about our relationship with God. These truths cannot be attained without profound consequences for the way we live our lives." God bless you.